Please friend like this video, subscribe and touch the bell icon. In this video you can solve the triangle calculation. Total how many triangles are given in a figure. For the competitive exam you can easily find how many triangles in the figure by this video. As you check this video and your problem will be solved in few seconds. So now I will tell you how to solve the triangle problems in your competitive exam. In every competitive exam it is asked these questions, so you can easily solve, and this question is 100% sure that you will get the marks for this question. In a triangle calculation, we can see in the picture there is a one big triangle which is divided by a line in two parts. So this is the big triangle which is divided by a line. So how many triangles are there? One triangle, two triangle and three triangles. So 1 plus 2, there is equal to 3 triangles. So by adding total triangle, so we can calculate how many triangles in the figure. Now here you can see here one triangle, but dividing with the line, total two triangles. So I have put it 1 and 2. As we will put in here 1, 2, 3. So there are total 1 plus 2 plus 3, total 6 triangles. For that you can check 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4 triangle, 5 triangle and 6 triangle. Now here, if we are dividing the triangles, as we know we can get the total triangles by adding this number 1 triangle, 2, 3, 4. So we can add this 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If it is divided in between with a single line, so the triangle will be double, because this line is not making any triangle. Due to that, only by dividing this line we can find there is a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 10 triangles, and by dividing this line, so we can multiply with 2. If two lines are dividing, then we will multiply with 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10 multiplied by 3. So total 30 triangle in this figure and 20 triangle in this figure. Here it is a complicated figure, but I have solved this figure without you wasting your time. Within 10 seconds you can solve. So we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 figures, 6 triangles. But due to this, over this line we can check other than this triangle, 1 triangle, then 2 triangle, then 3 triangle. On this line we can check 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle. On this line we can check 1 triangle, 2 triangle and 3 triangle. So how many triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangle plus 9 triangles, and 1 is main triangle. So we can see here 1 main triangle, 6 inside triangle and 3 triangle on each arm. So there are 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. Total 16 triangles are there in this figure. So by seeing this figure we can just say total 16 triangles, and we can easily calculate. By this method we will put 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here another complicated figure. In here we can find if only single triangle is there, so one triangle. If we are putting a triangle inside the triangle, so how to calculate? 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle, then 5 triangle. So 5 triangle in this figure. If it is adding again, in one more step they have added, by which 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, then if we can see 11, here 12, and here 13 triangles. So total triangles are 13 triangles in this figure. Here again we are seeing one complicated figure. We have one triangle, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth triangle, 6, 7, 8, and this is the ninth triangle. Here also, if one more stage is given, then the 27 triangle will be there. So up to the fourth stage they will ask only the 27 triangle, 1, 5, 13 and 27 triangle. Here total 9 triangle are there. We can easily solve this problem. Here we can find there is a 2 triangle in the rectangle. If we are dividing a rectangle with the line between corner to corner, so that it will having only 2 triangles, 1 triangle and 2 triangle. But in this figure, 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle and 4 triangle, 5 triangle, 6 triangle, 7 and 8 triangle. So in a square there will be 8 triangle if it is diagonally crossed. So here I have shown one big triangle for this one and second triangle, one big triangle, this one at here, and second triangle at here, and third triangle and fourth triangle. I have mentioned 2 figures so that we can check this one square having the 8 triangles. But it is complicated when 2 squares are joined together. So 8 we have seen the 8 triangles in this figure and 8 triangles in this figure. But due to the combination on the nodal point you can see 1 triangle and it is the second triangle. So 8 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to total 10 triangles. In this, if we are joining 2 squares which are diagonally crossed, so there will be 8 triangle in each square. But due to the joining, making a nodal point, there 2 triangles will be formed more. So total triangles 8 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So as we can see in this figure, if we compare with the previous figure, then it is having the 2 rectangles and it should have 8 plus 8 triangle. But here on the nodal point of 2 rectangles are making 2 triangles more. So that the total triangle in this figure are 8 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 triangles. So we can easily solve this problem also. Here again, what will the same formula we will use as we have used in the previous slide. Here total 3 rectangles are joined in straight line. Due to that 8 will be here, 8 triangles will be here, 8 triangles will be here. Due to the joining, one main triangle are forming and 2, 3 and 4. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2. So total 28 triangles are formed here. In this figure, we have joined the 3 rectangles but in the different shape. So what will happen here? 8 plus 8 plus 8, but it is forming one triangle, then 2 triangles, here 3 triangles and 4 triangles. So 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Where it is 1? It is one other triangle in this figure. So here only 29 triangles. So we can solve 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Total 29 triangles. Remember, don't forget. In this figure are more complicated. But I will tell you how to solve this figure. In this figure, total 8 rectangles. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So total 8, 4 nodal points. 1, 1 nodal point, 2 nodal point, 3 nodal point and 4 nodal point. On this nodal point you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 5 and 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 plus 4. What are the 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here are the 4 rectangles more. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. Total 44 rectangles. Triangles are there in this picture. If it will help you in your competitive exam, by this your triangle calculation is clear. You will not leave a single question related to this topic, and this will make your success confirm in your exam. So please like, subscribe and press the bell icon also for this video, and I will help in the future also by giving more videos over the different topic for the competitive exam. Your friend. Bye bye. Thank you for seeing the video.